Right then, we take a break and come back with lots more. Stay tuned. And welcome back. Second half action now. In just under 24 hours, the Reggae Boyz will go in search of back-to-back victories in the CONCACAF Gold Cup when they take on El Salvador in Houston, Texas, USA. Another win would take the Jamaicans one step closer to the quarterfinals. Simon Preston has our preview.
The Reggae Boyz began their 2019 Gold Cup campaign with a 3-2 win over Honduras at the National Stadium on Monday. The win marked the first time Jamaica defeated Honduras at the Gold Cup since 2011. Head coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore expects that victory to give the Jamaicans momentum leading into their next game.
Well, yes, it should be a confidence booster going into the El Salvador game. I think from this game the momentum should take us through. So we know it's going to be a tough game against El Salvador. They have won tonight as well, so we have to perform.
The last time Jamaica played El Salvador was in March in the CONCACAF Nations League, where Jamaica lost 2-0, and team captain Andre Blake expects it to be a tough encounter.
We know every game is going to be very important, and we want to win all our games. That's the aim, we know what El Salvador is about. It's not going to be easy, it's going to be another tough game. But we'll be up for the challenge, we're going to have to go back now, do a recovery, make sure we're taking care of our bodies and learn from our mistakes tonight and just continue to move forward.
Jamaica's all-time leading goal scorer at the Gold Cup is Darren Mattox. Mattox has 4 goals for the Reggae Boyz at the tournament, but didn't feature against Honduras on Monday evening. But Coach Whitmore says his chance will come and he has not dropped down the pecking order.
We have a 23-man squad and we can call upon anybody, but at the moment we have to pick a team that's going to go out there and do what we want them to do. So again, I wouldn't say we rule out Mattox, but again, Mattox time will come. If you look on Shamar Nicholson, what he is doing, he's contributing a lot to the game. So Mattox will get his turn.
Leon Bailey, who made his debut for the Reggae Boyz on Monday, is optimistic about Jamaica's chances in this tournament.
I'm very confident. I think we can win this Gold Cup. We just have to stay together as one and always just be there for each other and focus from the very beginning of the game until the end. We're sloppy in the ending of the game, but I think that's something that we as an individual we can work on. And if we work on things like that, as you can see, we're scoring goals, which is important, but we're also conceding goals, which is not good. So if we work on that, I think we can do big things in the Gold Cup.
The top of the table clash will kick off at 6 o'clock Jamaica time on Friday. In the later game, 1991 CONCACAF Gold Cup runners-up Honduras will play 2017 Caribbean Cup winners Curaçao. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.